In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go level 50 in Monopoly fast. Let's dive into some proven strategies that will help you soar through the levels in Monopoly Go. First things first, let's talk about the importance of building and upgrading properties. In Monopoly Go, your net worth plays a crucial role in leveling up. You can increase this by strategically building properties on your board. As you build, focus on completing color sets, because once you complete a color set, you'll get the opportunity to spin a wheel. This spin can earn you rewards, giving you a significant boost in leveling up efficiently. Now, what's a game without events? Keep your eyes peeled for in-game events. They are fantastic opportunities to collect tokens, which also contribute to leveling up. Always participate in as many of these events as possible to maximize your rewards and speed up your progress. Moving on to some core strategies, it's all about understanding the dynamics of net worth. The quickest path to a higher net worth is continuously building and upgrading properties. Don't rush it though. Take calculated steps to ensure each property addition truly contributes to your growth. Navigating through the color sets is another essential strategy. The more color sets you complete, the more opportunities you'll have to earn extra rewards. And remember, consistent event participation is key. Events are crafted to accelerate your leveling process by offering bonuses and valuable tokens. Now let's explore some additional tips that might not be apparent at first, but can significantly impact your progression. Completing missions should always be on your radar. Every mission provides you with experience points that are invaluable when leveling up quickly. Another tip is to utilize multipliers whenever you play. They are an excellent tool for ramping up your earnings, particularly when upgrading properties, which will put you way ahead in the game. Don't overlook the power of a daily check-in. By simply logging in every day, you can claim amazing rewards that keep your progress rolling. Speaking of keeping things rolling, make sure you get social. Connect with friends who also play Monopoly Go. By sharing resources and exchanging rewards with friends, you can mutually boost your progress and gain additional benefits. These strategies and tips should provide you with a well-rounded approach to quickly leveling up to level 50 in Monopoly Go. Remember to focus your energy on building your net worth through strategic property management and active participation in events and missions. Lean on your in-game social networks for extra support and use daily opportunities to your advantage. With these techniques, you'll be hitting level 50 in no time. Good luck and enjoy your journey to the top.